Hey, Sneekylinux back in the house. Okay, this is the stuff I really like on my system, okay? So it's like a top 5e, 4e, 80, I think it's 8, that I really use quite a bit on my system that are free and you may like too. Let's go! Okay, first on my list, Spotify. Okay, yes, I do like to own my own music, but streaming is the way of the world at the moment. But I do prefer having a proper physical copy in my hand, on my feet. But for other stuff, Spotify is just great, it's free. Oh yes, you get adverts. But hey, these things happen. Want to follow my list? Come and join. Yeah, nice. Number 1, but in no order. Second on my list, in no particular order, is Etcher. You need this in your life, guys. You really, really do. You just get the ISO, choose what you want. So just say we wanted MX18. Okay, we're looking at MX18. We open it, and this will flash it to your USB stick, so you can load it up onto your lappy or whatever you want. Easy, simple to use. Second on my list, but as I said before, in no particular order. Okay, number 3. What you really need in your box, guys. What you really need in your box. OBS. If you really want to stream or record at reliable quality, OBS is free out there for you. As everything I've shown you here is. There is no paid, they are all free. In OBS, you can change the settings to anything you want to. Anything you want to. The quality, we're using NVENC, H264. Well, hopefully they will upgrade to 265 really soon. You can control the bitrate, whether it's constant or variable. All depends what you want to do. Do you know what I'm saying? Do you know what I'm saying? Of course you do. You need it in your life. Okay, the next one you need in your life is Kdenlive. Okay. Yes, you can use OpenShot for simple videos, and I use everything actually. I don't just use one video editor. I use quite a lot. It all depends on what sort of video you're taking, or pictures, or whatever, okay? But if you're willing to give Kdenlive the chance and learn it, you really won't have to pay for anything, to be real honest, just for YouTube videos. If you do want to go up to 4K and do really professional stuff, you will have to pay some money at the end of the day. But for general use and really high quality videos, this is the baby for you. You need it, babies. You need it. Okay, guys. The next one you really need in your little box of tricks is Audacity. Audacity's been around for a very, very long time. And the main reason why it says it does the job, what it says on the tin. It can do nearly anything for audio, okay? If you want to go up to bigger stuff, obviously you need to use other stuff, okay? Like Ardor. But not everybody wants to use Ardor. All depends if you're into music making and stuff like that. All depends. But for cleaning up your audio for your videos, especially cleaning everything up, or just making some different sounds or sound effects, Audacity is your baby. Oh yeah, but it's not a baby, it's quite old now. Yeah. Next. Okay, next on our list. Okay, this is not actually an installable thing, this is on the web. So you don't have to install this, you just go to the website and use it. Now this is Tinkercad, okay? Tinkercad. You can make basically anything you really want to. So if I open this one here, if I tinker this, we go and tinker it, okay? You can make basically anything out of these shapes that you want to. That's just something I've been working on for a little while, excuse me. This is a phone holder. Yeah. Goes on your desk, hold your phone. I've given some away as presents over Christmas. People really, really like them. They don't take long to print, they're really cheap. It takes around about 25 pence worth of filament and about 3-4 pence worth of electricity to print one of these, and it will hold most smartphones. Now bearing in mind you can design actually anything you want in here. Obviously if you want to go bigger and better, you get Autodesk, okay? For doing what you want, for making stuff, if you've got a 3D printer or you're thinking of buying one, this is a really good thing to go with. Yeah, I know, I love it. My kids love it at school too. Okay, next one. Okay guys, for the penultimate in my list, well for me anyway, this is Scratch 3. Okay, we use it all the time where I work, okay? And in clubs, etc. You cannot download it at the moment. It's not downloadable until January. It's been in beta for at least 8 months. But you can use it on the web at the moment if you really want to. So if you're not into coding, but you really want to get into coding, really basic stuff, teach your kids, grandkids, nieces and nephews, or even your mum and dad, this is the one for you. It's really block based, it's really, really simple. So you just drag the blocks over. Here's my little cat. I want him to move 10 steps. No, I don't. I want to control him. I want him to repeat that 10 times. See how easy it is? You just drag the blocks over. I said click on the flag. We click on the flag. He moves 10 steps. Easy peasy. What more do you want? Simple. Have a play with it. I think some of you may like using it, to be honest with you. But if you want to hang out until January to the downloadable version, hopefully there'll be a Debian port. If not, I'll try and put a snap package together for it and see how we go. Okay. But if you want to go with it, you need it in your life. Okay. To the final one. Okay, for the final one on my list, if you're into doing web pages or web development and stuff like that, Bluefish. Yes, Bluefish is the one you need in your life. Okay. It's really simple to use. It's free. You can do whatever you like with it. HTML, whatever you want to do. Logbooks, Apache. Do anything you want to. It'll do everything you want. Go and play with it. This version is what I got here. Is 2210. Yeah, that's right. It works for me. It works in school. You can do any simple thing you want to. If you want to make your own web pages or whatever you want to do. If you don't want to go to the pre-made ones. So that's the little stuff that I really like on my system, mainly. There was another 20, 30 that I use all the time, but I thought I'd just show you these to show you what I use. Okay. Sneeky Linux. Have a good one. Laces.